of the box.
And again, now you're seeing those different show markers, different colors represent different things to the people flying and the people on the ground who are keeping us safe. So that is definitely a way to orient yourself in time and space quite quickly. He is an accomplished performer. Right there, just look at him hanging on the prop, Brittany.
A lot of energy. Let's see if we can hear it. There we go, putting enough energy and momentum on it, and he's gonna nose over, look at him adjust the cap. Yeah, there we go. Absolutely love it. I have to do a special shout out, Brad's Lucas Oil Pit Viper sunglasses, best tugs. Again, Power Addiction Air Shows team bringing us the excitement and the energy, and I don't know about you, but I can feel it jumping out of the screen right now.
I love it when you can tell he's having a good day. He is having just as much fun, well, more fun to be honest, up there than we are down. Look at how close he gets. I mean, he is within feet. You know, we talked about the surface waiver, but that is that's a prime example what you just saw there on your screen. And for those watching from the boats lining the aerobatic box, that sterile fish tank that we sort of talked about right now, you can just really get a sense for the beauty of his airplane, the strength of it, as well as the talent of the pilot flying it.
The great thing too, as an air show announcer, I often get a ton of information from our pilots. So they let me know about their aircraft, their biography. Brad's is one of the most interesting ones that I receive. If I can just entertain you slightly, he has things called the Humpty Bump.
Oh yeah, I love that.
The Hui. The Hui is in part dedicated to Wayne Hanley, the spiraling tower, things like the tsunami and the Cobra. It is hilarious to watch and see him name the maneuvers and bring them to life right in front of all of us.
Wayne Hanley is an absolute legend in the aerobatic and aviation space. So, you know, when we talk about Chip Hanauer, that's sort of a name for those of us on the aviation side who are very, very familiar with him. So that's kind of nice that he's got a little homage in the names of his individual maneuvers that he's flying.
Now, if you're like me, I'm kind of an aviation
We're nerds. We're nerds.
It's nerd. Fact. Look at nice. Look at the
knife edge
right below. He can see it. You can see the buoy markers. He's going right across all of them. There's the red one. He is getting right to the end of the box, so we should see him level off the aircraft momentarily.
You can see
he's going
control surface.
There we go.
All the way to the end.
All the way. He wants to go by the bridge.
Oh.
He's giving the entertainment, smoking out the bridge right now. But if you're like me, please take the time to go and follow our aerobatic pilots. Brad is one that really wants to continue inspiring younger generations. You can find him on Facebook at Brad Worston, Power Addiction Air Shows. He is also on Instagram. His handle is fly_300, and take a look. Slow roll all the way down the show line. It's incredible to see the MX-2. If you're familiar with aviation and some other aircraft, the MX-2 is very similar to an Extra 330, an Extra 330 SC, and this is a highly competitive aircraft. It is one that will go around the world. We have our #1 U.S. Unlimited champion, Mr. Rob Holland, that also flies an MX. So we represent on the U.S. team as well.
These airplanes are small. They're lightweight. They're built with state-of-the-art carbon fiber composites. They can withstand so much punishment from the pilots, and they just keep flying no matter what. And they're so snappy on the controls. And so it's interesting as he departs the aerobatic box there, we give him a big send-off. It's so